If you've ever wished you could turn text into realistic speech for YouTube voiceovers, podcasts, audiobooks, or narrations, ElevenLabs makes that process easier and more natural than ever. At its core, ElevenLabs is a modern text-to-speech platform powered by deep neural networks and advanced language models designed to produce human-like speech. It doesn't just read text, it interprets it. That's why the audio it generates sounds far more natural than the robotic text-to-speech voices we used to hear years ago. What makes ElevenLabs so powerful is how it handles context, pacing, emphasis, and emotion. Instead of simply converting words to audio, it pays attention to things like punctuation, sentence structure, and tone. This allows it to decide where to pause, how to stress certain words, and how to deliver the message with clearer emotion. The result is speech that feels smoother, more expressive, and much closer to real human narration. One of its standout features is voice cloning. With just a short audio recording, ElevenLabs can replicate a voice, including its style, accent, rhythm, and personality, and then generate new speech using that voice. This is perfect for creators who want a consistent audio identity without constantly recording, or for brands that want a signature voice in their videos and campaigns. ElevenLabs also supports a wide range of languages and accents. This means you can reach global audiences or create versions of your content in different languages without hiring multiple voice actors. For creators who work with diverse audiences, this flexibility is extremely valuable. Another big upgrade is ElevenLabs' newer speech synthesis models, which offer stronger emotional expression and more realistic delivery. These are especially helpful for long-form content like storytelling, narration, educational videos, and character dialogues. The voices sound clearer, smoother, and more human, even across long scripts. For content creators, the workflow is simple. Write your script, choose a voice, fine-tune the style if needed, and generate the audio. No need for microphones, background noise control, or retakes. It saves time and gives beginners a professional sound instantly. This makes it a great tool for YouTubers, podcasters, educators, audiobook creators, and anyone who wants high-quality speech from plain text. Of course, AI isn't perfect. You may still need to adjust pacing or emotion settings to get the exact sound you want. And for highly emotional or improvised content, human voice actors can still deliver more nuance. But for most practical uses, ElevenLabs strikes an impressive balance between quality, speed, and convenience. If this video helped you understand how ElevenLabs AI speech synthesis works, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.